equal to a plus b, y equal to alpha a plus beta b, z equal to a beta plus b alpha, where alpha and beta are complex cube roots of unity. What we have to show that? Show that x, y, z equal to a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. So, alpha and omega are complex cube roots of unity. Therefore, but we know that omega and omega square are complex cube root of unity. Therefore, let alpha equal to omega and beta equal to omega square. So, x equal to a plus b, y equal to a omega. In place of alpha we put omega, and in place of beta we put omega square, and z equal to a beta, a omega square plus b omega. Okay? Now multiply xyz equal to a plus b into a omega plus b omega square into a omega square plus b omega. Now multiply. First, either you can multiply this two first, this two, or this two. We multiply these two brackets first. So let us multiply a omega into a omega square plus b omega square into a omega square plus b omega, which is equal to a plus b. A omega into a omega square is a square omega cube. Next, a omega into b omega is ab omega square. Here b omega square into a omega square is ab or b. ba or ab, we can write both, means so we write ab, or you can write ba also. Omega square into omega square is omega raised to 4. B omega square into b omega is b square omega cube, which is equals to a plus b, a square omega cube. Omega cube is 1, therefore a square, ab omega square. Here ab omega raised to 4, but we know that omega raised to 4 is omega, so put omega. And b square omega cube. Omega cube is 1. So b square. Okay. This is a plus b into a square. ab common, omega square plus omega plus b square, which is equal to a plus b, a square plus ab. In place of omega square plus omega, we write minus 1. Why? Because 1 plus omega square is 0. Therefore, omega plus omega square is minus 1. Okay. Plus b square. आता इकडे minus 1 into ab is minus ab. So we write minus ab. Okay. Now multiply. A into a square minus ab plus b square plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, which is equal to a cube minus a square b plus ab square plus ba square minus ab square plus b cube. Now observe the terms a square b minus a square b, and here ba square, or we can write a square b. So these two terms get cancelled. Minus plus ab square minus ab square, this get cancelled, and we get a cube plus b cube, which is our RHS. Okay. Now next, Question number 6 is find the equation in Cartesian coordinates of the locus of z if mod z is 10. So let z equal to x plus iy. So mod z equals to 10. Therefore, modulus of z is nothing but x square plus y square, which is equals to 10. Now squaring on both sides. So x square plus y square equal to 100. This is our required equation. Second, mod z minus 3 equal to 2. Z equal to x plus iy. Therefore, z minus 3 equal to x minus 3 plus iy. Therefore, modulus of z minus 3 equal to 2. So, modulus of z minus 3 is x minus 3 bracket square plus y square, which is equal to 2. Squaring on both sides. So, therefore, x minus 3 bracket square plus y square equal to 4. This is our required equation in Cartesian coordinates. Cartesian coordinates means x and y. Okay. Now, next third one. Third, z minus 5 plus 6i equal to 5. So let z equal to x plus iy. Z minus 5 plus 6i equal to x plus iy minus 5 plus 6i. So real parts the word x minus 5 plus I into y plus 6. Now take modulus z minus 5 plus 6i equal to 5 giving. Therefore, modulus of this, so x minus 5 square plus y plus 6 equal to 5. Now squaring on both sides. Therefore, x minus 5 bracket square plus y plus 6 bracket square equal to 25. Fourth, z plus 8 equal to z minus 4. Modulus of z plus 8 equal to modulus of z minus 4. So let z equal to x plus iy. Then z plus 8 is x plus 8 real part iy. Z minus 4 equal to x minus 4 plus iy. Now given is what? Z plus 8. Modulus of z plus 8 equal to modulus of z minus 4. So, but modulus of z plus 8 is real part of z plus 8 bracket square x plus 8 bracket square plus y square equal to x minus 4 square plus y square. Now squaring on both sides. So what we get? X squaring on both sides. X plus 8 square, whole square plus y square equal to x minus 4 square plus y square. Open brackets. Y square get cancelled. X square plus 16x plus 64 equal to x square minus 8x plus 16. X square get cancelled. So 16x, 8x, 16x plus 8x and the 64. 16 minus 64. 16 plus 8 is 24x and 8, 48. Therefore x equal to 2. Okay. So this is our required equation. Now next, fifth one. Fifth example. Z minus 2 minus 2i equal to z plus 2 plus 2i. So z equal to x plus iy. Z minus 2 minus 2i equal to what? X minus 2 plus y minus 2. Okay. This is a simple addition of complex number. Okay. Now z plus 2 plus 2i is x plus 2 plus I y plus 2. Now what given? Z minus 2 minus 2i modulus of this is z. Z minus 2 minus 2i equal to modulus of z plus 2 plus 2i. So apply definition. Modulus of this is what? X minus 2 bracket square plus y minus 2 bracket square, which is equals to x plus 2 bracket square plus y plus 2 bracket square. Now squaring on both sides. So x minus 2 bracket square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. Now open the brackets. X square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 4y plus 4. So this x square get cancelled, y square get cancelled, 4. So what will remain? Minus 4x minus 4y equal to 4x plus 4y. Now ह्या टर्म्स आपण त्या साइडला नेऊ. So 4x plus 4x 8x, 4x plus 4y plus 4x plus 4y equal to 0. 4x plus 4x 8x plus 8y equal to 0. Therefore x plus y equal to 0. This is our equation, required equation. Now last example. Sixth example. Z plus 3i upon z minus 6i equal to 1. Modulus of z plus 3i upon z minus 6i is 1. Let this is afterwards, but we know that modulus of z1 upon z2 is nothing but modulus of z1 upon modulus of z2. By this property, we can write it as z plus 3i upon z minus 6i equal to 1. So modulus of z plus 3i equal to modulus of z minus 6i. Cross multiply. Okay. Now let z equal to x plus iy. So what is z plus 3i? X plus I, y plus 3, is it? This is simple addition of complex number and this is subtraction of complex number. Okay. Now what we given? Z plus modulus of z plus 3i equal to modulus of z minus 6i. Now z plus 3i is x square plus y plus 3 bracket square equal to x square plus y minus 6 whole square. Now squaring on both sides. So what we'll get? X square plus y plus 3 bracket square equal to x square plus y minus 6 bracket square. Now this get cancelled. So open the bracket. Y square plus 6y plus 9 by a plus b bracket square formula, and here is a minus b bracket square formula. So y square minus 12y plus 36, y square get cancelled. Now 6y 12y, so bring 12y in LHS, so 6y plus 12y equal to 36 minus 9. 12 plus 6 18y equal to 27. So y equal to 27 upon 18 is equal to 3/2. This is our required equation.